Hello, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. Here's what might be happening soon. New York and Pennsylvania, anticipated area of greater storm coverage. Watch possible. So there's watch unlikely, watch possible, and watch likely. So it's the middle of the range. So that's what might be happening. Now up here, forgot what, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. Now this one says watch unlikely, but a few storms may contain marginally severe wind gusts. So that's with the mesoscale discussions. Here is the watch that's actually in effect, and this is down in Texas. If we zoom out, we can see where it is. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect, not for much longer. Well, actually an hour and a half. I can't do math. I have no idea what time it is, apparently. Anyway, so yes, severe thunderstorm watch for Texas right now and for a little bit longer. And I don't know, maybe they'll extend that as well. Here's what's going on, and it's really hard to tell, but Texas is in a slight risk. There's actually a yellow outline there. You just can't tell, though. New York and Pennsylvania also with a slight risk. So if we move on over to the wind map, everybody in between has a 5% risk, but there's your slight risk areas. And then the hail map breaks up. So the greatest hail threat down in Texas, and then the 5%. So it's contiguous, is that's the word. Contiguous on the wind map, not on the hail map, and then only a 5% chance up there. 2% chance of a tornado for the two slight risk areas today. So it doesn't sound as freaky compared to 45%, does it? The 45% from Saturday. But so that would mean you pick any point in any of these green areas, and that means that there's a 2% chance that someone at that point, or a neighbor within 25 miles of them, or many neighbors as the case may be, will see a tornado. You know, unless it's an isolated area, then maybe only the one neighbor sees it. I don't know. Anyway, well, that's what it means. That point, or 25-mile radius. Tomorrow, slight risk again. Let's see, Georgia, South Carolina, maybe a smidge of North Carolina is the probability map. And for some reason, we've got what? South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska. Yes, I've been memorizing my US state map, have to practice every day. And then there's your slight risk, so there's the probability map. Day 3, no thunderstorm areas forecast. So I believe that's the first, completely green day in quite some time. But of course, by the time, what is that, Wednesday? Since I can't calculate dates either. Wednesday. By the time Wednesday is Wednesday, yes. There may be a slight risk, there might be a 5% risk, who knows? But right now, it's looking gravy or groovy or a word like that. However, long-range forecast, no areas indicated on the map, but there's two things that they put here when there isn't an area, and that's predictability low and probability too low. Probability too low means no severe thunderstorms are indicated at all. Predictability too low means there are severe thunderstorm areas indicated, but like the models, or they use the words run to run, whatever that means. It probably means they run it once, and like the next time they run it, there's not enough agreement going on for them to actually pick some areas. And if you were to read it, you might even find out where. I can't read that. No, I see Lower Mississippi Valley Tech Park. Anyway, so yeah, we keep an eye on that. Wicked Wix is a website. That should be its tagline. Wicked Wix is a website. I don't know. WICKEDWX.com. Weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center, all those weathery type websites that start with W, lots of W's going on, wacky weather. I've run out of W words apparently, wacky weather, that's all we've got. Anyway, so enjoy your day and hopefully you have a nice uneventful day.